Hey, welcome to Charged Up Cook. My name is Tom. Today video, we're going to make some chicken thigh fajitas. So let's get this going. Got the chicken right here and ready. Go ahead and put this other camera up here. So we're going to get these seasoned up before we cut our vegetables. I like to use these foil pans, especially when I'm tailgating. It's so much easier. So never use this meat church fajita seasoning. It's pretty thick. Get that going. Just get it nice and coated. Put them upside down. All right, so we got everything, all the fajita mix on there. I'm actually going to go ahead and add a little bit of this Blanco on top, just a little. All right, let me see if you guys give you a shot of that. So just in the foil pan, I'm going to go right on the grill with it. So I'm going to give that, I'm thinking in about 30 minutes, it'll be ready. All right, for my veggies, I like onion. I got two kinds. I got a yellow, red, an orange, bell pepper, and some portobellos. So we're going to go ahead and get those chopped up and get them right in the pan, ready to go. Here we go. Let's get these guys started. He's going, I'm sure everybody's good at chopping up onions. Whatever thickness you like, that's what you want to do. All right, so I got some of this prep done. I'm going to get a little bit of oil in here to get going. I'm just going to give these some cuts. See, I got the orange, the red, and the yellow all together. And however thick you want them is perfectly fine. All right, let's go ahead and get this pepper in there. I don't think you can see that, but maybe you can hear the sizzle. Pan's ready to go. Let's do some onion. Just getting that all broken up in there. I'll get you a picture of it here in a second. It's enough white for now. Let's get some red in there. It's a little bit more red. There we go. Get the pan over here so you guys can see it. There we go. I'm just going to get some fajita seasoning in there. Same as I put on the chicken. A little bit of Blanco. Some butter. A little warm today. And then I always like to do a little bit red wine in there. So we're just going to let these guys cook down and get happy. I do have my portobellos. I'm actually going to chop these guys up a little bit. They're really big. So we'll get some of this in there. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty big on a fajita. These will cook down. We'll get a few more in there. You can smell that already. All right, our veggies have been on right about 10 minutes. They're done. I'm just going to give you a look at these guys. Chicken still got a ways to go, but we're going to get the veggies off and let you have a peek at them. See if I can hold those up, see if you can see those. They're looking pretty good. Almost lost them. I'm actually just going to set them over here in my pizza oven just to keep them warm, keep them out of the air. All right, we're just going to keep those veggies setting and waiting until we get the chicken done, and then we'll go from there. Cheers. Just wanted to give you an update. Chicken's been on just about 30 minutes, and it's at temperature, so now we're just going to let it rest back here, and then we're going to go ahead and chop it up and get it mixed in or assemble some fajitas. We'll make you a plate. All right, we pulled that chicken out after it's rested. Let's go ahead and give you guys a shot of what it looks like here. There's a couple pieces. So all I'm going to do at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and just slice this up. Look at that. Looking absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and just throw it in my pan. Get a couple more of these pieces out of here. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice all this up. And when we come back, we'll go ahead and get a tortilla and show you what it all looks like when it comes together. All right, here we go. Not sure how well you can see all that, but we got our veggies. We got our chicken. I got a tortilla back here. Let's go ahead and make a plate. So a lot of my cooking is for Charger games at tailgates. That's the ultimate. So this would be quick and easy. You can keep it all in foil pans. I got this in the pot right now, but there we go. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Appreciate you watching. Okay, love you. Bye. Enjoy.